Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Dodge Charger window button. First, understand that common issues often stem from a faulty switch or wiring. Begin by gathering a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. For safety, always disconnect your vehicle's negative battery terminal before starting any electrical work. Next, we'll remove the door panel to access the window switch. Look for screws behind the door handle and in the armrest section. Pry up any small trim pieces to reveal them. Once screws are out, gently pry the bottom corner of the door panel and work your way around to release the clips. Finally, disconnect all electrical connectors before fully removing the panel. With the door panel off, you can now access the window switch. Carefully unplug the electrical connectors from the old switch module. Take your new power window switch and reconnect the electrical connectors, ensuring they click into place. Align the new switch back into its housing and firmly press around the edges to secure it. Now, carefully reattach the door panel, ensuring all clips align and snap into place. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect your vehicle's negative battery terminal. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Finally, test the new window switch to confirm proper operation, rolling the window up and down several times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.